As the leader of the Polk County Inclusive Health Coalition, Easter Seals Iowa has continued to serve as a shining example of inclusion, continually expanding its efforts, reach, and opportunities for its clients further and further into the community at large. One example of this is through their community garden program.
The health and wellness of the individuals that we support with disabilities is so critical that we really wanted to find a way to have a broader outreaching effect.
The garden kind of started as a practice of showing people how to eat better. We started with 2 plots. Now we've gone to 6, a little bit more than 6 actually.
Easter Seals for me to work in the garden, and I love it. It's so beautiful out there.
Easter Seals suggested we work in the garden. I was having some wellness issues.
I've been with Easter Seals for quite a few years actually. My favorite parts of working with Easter Seals and the garden specifically basically is getting to know my coworkers and getting things grown, produced, and pulled.
We have worked with a wide variety of community-based organizations through the IHC. What the initiative has done for us is really provided us with an exclusive opportunity to go to partners in the community that we have desired to work with to say we have this great opportunity here at Easter Seals, Iowa, and we want to work with you and explore ways that we can assure that persons with disabilities are included in your health and wellness efforts.
I'm the director of the Downtown Farmers Market in Des Moines, Iowa. We have about 20,000 customers shopping every Saturday.
They allowed us to come into the market a couple years ago. We sat down and said, you know, we have this garden, we want to get involved, we know it's a waiting list.
We created a partnership and provided an opportunity for them to be on site at the farmers market.
And they said, you know what, we want to work with you. We want to be here for you.
We come down to the farmers market every other week, and they sell the produce.
They actually have a booth, just like any other farmers. They're engaging with the community.
They get the customer service skills.
We say, good morning, have a good day. I make sure that I put the vegetables in the sack, and I make sure to give them the right change.
They just enjoy seeing other people instead of being isolated in their apartments or in their homes.
The farmers market, that's been huge. We had some press coverage, watching customers come up and recognize our clients from being on the news and saying, you know, you did a wonderful job, tell me about what you do. And the pride that they get from that and the sense of accomplishment and really the validation. Like, what I am doing is important and I am important. And that's what we wanted to get across to them.
Beautiful produce sells well, and a great display draws in attention, and customers who are recognizing the fact that the growers of this food are people with disabilities. I think they're really appreciating that, and it's building this connection and this engagement. It gives them an opportunity to engage with people that they probably wouldn't otherwise be able to, and so it's creating a really significant impact. This is a way to show people that they can make an impact on their community regardless of what people think they can and can't do, because they can really show what the possibilities are.